my dear friends of Anupama Kumari Tutorials. Today, in our session of cell, we are going to discuss cytoplasm. And first of all, I think हम लोगों को प्रोटोप्लाज्म का कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही जरूरी है समझना. एंड आई थिंक प्रोटोप्लाज्म बहुत कम ही लोग जानते होंगे या बहुत कम ही लोग फेमिलियर होंगे क्लियरली, बिना किसी डाउट के या कंफ्यूजन के. और बहुत नहीं रटा हुआ भी रहता है, पर वो समझते नहीं ये होता क्या है. प्रोटोप्लाज्म बस ये होता है कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर जितनी भी सब्सटेंस है जो लिविंग सेल के अंदर है, साइटोप्लाज्म हो गए और न्यूक्लियस, इन दोनों को मिला के. और साइटोप्लाज्म में क्या क्या हो जाते हैं, साइटोसोल तो फ्लूइड है, और साइटोप्लाज्म में जो एम्बेडेड सेल ऑर्गेनल है, ये दोनों मिला के साइटोप्लाज्म बनाते हैं. तो वो हो गया, प्लस न्यूक्लियस, और न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, न्यूक्लियोलस, ये सब मिला के आज तक सारे जितने भी चीज़ होते हैं सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर, ये सभी प्रोटोप्लाज्म हो गए. एंड इफ हमें इसे अच्छे से डिफाइन करना हो तो ये बहुत ही सिंपल है. ऑल द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सेल इनसाइड द सेल मेम्ब्रेन is simply known as protoplasm. It is a colorless, jelly-like, viscous, semi-fluid because nucleus is not totally fluid and cell organelles are also not totally fluid. And even cytoplasm is not totally fluid. It is also a semi-fluid because the cytosol is only fluid and the organelles, they contain some fluid but they are not totally fluid, which can be distinguished into a centrally located nucleoplasm and the surrounding cytoplasm. And what is cytoplasm? The protoplasm which surrounds the nucleus means the components of protoplasm except nucleus is cytoplasm. It is formed of protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, lipid and certain inorganic substances, and salt and water is the main component of cytosol. Many small organelles are found in this cytoplasm. These are also known as cytoplasmic organelle or cell organelles, which is our next topic of the next session tomorrow. These organelles are the site for various metabolic functions of the cell in the cytoplasm. Each organelle means tiny organ, is membrane bound. Some of these organelles are visible only under an electron microscope. And do you know, dear friends, that cytoplasm it provides surface and many chemical reaction sites in every cell, and in prokaryotic cell it is the main place where everything takes place. All the cytoplasmic activities, metabolic activities take place inside the cytoplasm through in the form of vesicles. For example, mesosomes in prokaryotes and all. And cytoplasm is the base of prokaryote. Everything happens here. But in eukaryotic cell, all these are organized in cytoplasm only, but with the help of not only cytosol but cell organelles also, with membrane-bound cell organelles. And as I have already told you that cytoplasm is made up of cytosol plus cell organelles. So this is very much simple and very much clear. This video is too short for you to grasp easily, not too much lengthy or complex and complicated. Thank you, and please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment box. I will try my best to solve your problem or make another video on clear concept. Okay, thank you.